Hello, owl friends. It's Rochelle, and I'm going to play a little game today. So, we have been learning about clothes. We've been doing the clothes study. So, today we're going to play a little sorting game. And I have some words here. Can you see any letters that you know in this word? This is the letter Y, E, S. And that spells yes. So I'm going to put that right here at the top. And what about this? Do you see any letters here that you know? There's an N and an O, and that spells no. And I'm going to put that here at the bottom. So I'm going to show you some pictures of some clothing. And what I need your help deciding is if this clothing is yes, wear it in winter, which is the season that we're in right now, or no, not good for winter. So that's the question we need to decide is, are these clothes yes, good for winter, or no, not good for winter? Okay, let's go. This is the first one. This is a picture of some mittens, or you might call them gloves. So, would you say they are good for winter? Yes or no? Oops, I dropped it. Yes. Mittens are good for winter because the weather is a little cold. And sometimes when I go walk my dog in the morning, I wear mittens to keep my hands warm. Do you have any mittens that you like to wear? I wonder what color are they? Mine are striped. Okay. What's next? What about these type of, shoes? These are called flip-flops. Now, what if you wore flip-flops on a winter day that was rainy or snowy? What would happen to your toes? They might get really, really cold. So are flip-flops good for winter? No, I'm going to put them down here in the no category. Okay, next one. What about this? A coat. Now, this is just a picture of a coat, but this coat is a really thick, puffy coat. Is that good for winter or no? I'm going to say no, because what would happen? I'm going to say yes. It's good for winter. Because what would happen if you wore this coat in the summertime? You might get really sweaty and hot. So I think this coat will keep you nice and warm in the winter. So I'm going to say yes. What about this? If you watched my mitten video, you will see that I have a hat that looks almost like this. It has a big ball on the top, and I wear it in the winter because hats like this keep your head warm. So yes, let's wear that in the winter. Okay. I have some of these and they're a little bit tricky. So I'm going to show you a tricky one now. Are you ready? What about this shirt? What do you notice about this shirt? It has a pattern on it. That's one thing. There's some stripes, a stripe pattern. What do you notice about the arms? Are they long sleeves or short sleeves? Did you say short sleeves? Yes. So, is a short sleeve shirt good for cold weather? What about if you are wearing it in the snow? What might happen to your arms? They might get a little chilly. But what if you were in the winter and you had this shirt on underneath this coat? Then could you wear it in the winter? Yeah, if you had a coat on top, it might be okay to wear it in the winter. You might still be a little bit cold. So this is my first tricky one. I think I'm going to put it kind of in the middle because you could wear it in the winter, but you might want to put something over it. Okay, what about this clothing item? A scarf. Do any of you have scarves? I wonder what they look like. Maybe you could send me a picture. So I'm going to say yes, you wear scarves in the winter. That is a clothing item that is good for keeping your body warm. But what about this silly one? What if I decided I wanted to go swimming or to the beach in the winter? Do you think I should wear this? Ooh, it might be so cold if I wore this to the beach in the wintertime. So I'm going to put this down here with no, because you might go to an indoor pool in the wintertime, but if you are going outside, it might be a little cold to wear a bathing suit in the winter. This is my last tricky one. What about these? Sunglasses. Do you think you wear those in the winter? Or no? This is another tricky one because I wear sunglasses a lot in the summertime, especially when I'm driving my car. But something happened to me the other day, and what happened was it had been raining really, really hard, and then the sun came out. And so the sun was reflecting off of the road, which was wet from the rain, and it was so bright that I went, I can't see. And so I had to get my sunglasses out so I could drive safely. So I do think that people wear sunglasses in the winter and in the summer. And you know, another time when you might wear sunglasses is if you are in the snow, because the same thing happens. Snow is white, and if the sun is shining, it reflects off the snow and it gets really bright in your eyes. So you might need to wear sunglasses so you can protect them, even in the winter. So I'm going to put this one in the middle too, because you could wear sunglasses all year round. Okay, take a good look at this board. Can you think of any other clothing items that you would wear in the winter? I hope that you'll share them with me. And what about in the summertime? Is there anything special that you might wear just in the summertime? All right, I can't wait to see all of of the special clothes that you're wearing. Talk to you soon. Bye.